Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok to fix the issue with the TikTok such as app crashes, login problems or the video upload errors. You can try the following troubleshooting steps. First, you need to check for the updates. Go to the Play Store and look out for the TikTok and open it. And ensure that you're using the latest version of the TikTok app, and simply go to the App Store for the iOS or the Google Play Store for the Android and check for the updates. Or you could also try restarting your app, open it and simply close it off. And this can resolve temporary issues and ensure that your device has a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Or you could also try uninstalling the TikTok if none of the above steps work and reinstall back again. And this can help any corrupted files or the settings causing the issue. And if the issue persists, you may need to contact TikTok support for further assistance. Provide them with the details about the issue you're experiencing and any troubleshooting steps you already tried. And by following these steps, you should be able to resolve common issues with the TikTok app. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to fix TikTok. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.